Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. This is shakes to shakes I choose Tombini chance. Yeah, sure. So this is my loom, my BMW M10 loom, and this is the computer box. As you can see, this is the connector from where it goes into the underneath the dash on the inside, and then it goes onto the outside here, going all the way to where the battery connector is. This is where you connect the battery, the positive with the positive, and then you go all the way to the side, and then here this is the wire that goes to the coil. So I tried to at least put them by sequence, and then this is the diagnostic wire where in front it goes to the temperature gauge, and I still need to get a front connector for this. It's also liable for your hard start, and then this is your ground with your coil, along with your coil thingy, and then by sequence agency, y'all know this one goes to the alternator. This goes to the alternator, and here are your injector plugs. So injector number 1 is that one, grayish one, number 2, number 3, number 4. Oh yes, you guys all know most it's a 4-cylinder, and then this is the connector for your air, that goes through your breather pipes, and then these guys over here go all the way to your starter. You understand? These go to your starter, these two guys, and then this is what gives it power, gives the starter power. This is the blue switch, the cold start switch, as you can see, and then we go all the way to the other end. This is the sensor, the fuck, I forgot what it's called again, but it's for the sensor that goes into the manifold underneath. It calculates the mass. I think it's not the mass airflow. It's the fuck, I forgot. But it goes in hand with the airflow. So the airflow meter gets a plug in there on that side, and then this goes to the loom from the fuse box, and then this long ass motherfucker here goes all the way to the side of the car. So basically here it's going to be the fuel pump relay, and then here goes in the module. Yeah, chance. That's it. For to BMW M10 loom. And yeah, for the airflow, on this side we can all see that this is where the airflow connects to, but I'm gonna display everything here on the ground because the starter is in the car, the alternator is already in the car as well, the injectors are also in the car, and the fuse box loom is also in the car. And yeah, this is what I can show you guys. But this is your engine bay. If you look closely, this is your engine bay. That's it. Yes.